Alright guys, so here's the second Hunter Brookline ceiling fan in my room at Key Lime Cove. So I'm in a 2-bedroom, so I got 2 fans. So I'm gonna try to make this video quick because I'm starting to run out of battery on this camera. So again, it's on the same control as the other room. So here's light. It's a lot brighter on this fan, looks like, than the other one. There's a dimmer feature. And here it is on high. Moves a good amount of air. Can't tell if it's really making noise because AC is on again. But here's medium. Hopefully I got it right this time. Looks like I did. Yet again, these speed controls really confuse me if I got it off in the middle or got it on the next speed. Yeah, but I think I got it. Alright, so here's low. Fast low, I should say. And here is low with the light on simultaneously. Yeah, it's pretty slow, low speed. It's pretty good low speed though. I can tell you that. Yeah, I think this is still running. But here it is. Turn it off now. So watch it spin down. Not doing a full spin down. Just like I said, I'm trying to make things quick. Alright, so that's it. So hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching.